let me show y'all what I got in the mail today. So first we're gonna start off with our makeup. Anyways, let's start off with our makeup bag. I bought this just so I can travel and do other people's makeup with it. So it's like bringing me on like beginning of my makeup artist journey. So yeah, but it's a pink bag. It can fit on your suitcase luggage. And then this is what it looks like inside. And then it came with this like extra hold. So you can like put it right there. So we're going to set this up in just a second. Let's see what else we got in here. We got something else. A mirror. So it looks like, yes, baby. So I think this will go like right here, maybe. Like in this pocket part. I think that's where the mirror goes. So I'm gonna wrap it up and we're gonna put it together. Alright, so and then of course it has a little handle, gold zipper. Gold zipper. Yeah, so I really love this. So yep, here's my bag. I think this was $20 maybe on Amazon. So I'm gonna put the prices in my caption. So we have our eyelash extension bit, and I purchased this because my other career that I'm trying to go into is like beauty. So this eyelash extension kit is a art. So I can do makeup, I can do eyelashes, so I'm very excited on what's to come in this box. So we're going to see what's inside this box in just a second. Let me just show you something else. So now we can get to the good part. Makeup brushes, my favorite. Yes. So it came in this bag. So we're going to use out and see what we got. So this is like a lip scrub brush. This helps plumps the lips, make them look fuller when you're doing your makeup. So I got eyeshadow brush. So you guys can see. So you just, do that. This is like a cut crease brush. You can just cut the crease. They don't have names on them, but that's why they're for professionals. And this is for brows, like cropping out your brow. Love that. What? This is a highlighter brush. I know how to put these on like that. This is like a contour, not a contour, yeah, contour. This is like a contour brush. You just precisely right in that angle. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This one, big. And this is for like blush. You see I got my blush going. Got a little tinted makeup or whatnot, but and then I got some sponges, and like this is like a wash your makeup, so whatever. I mean your makeup brushes. I'm sorry. Oh, there we go. So I got this here, and then I believe this is to scrub your face. So this will be for me. I'm keeping this. The other stuff is for my clients. So this is like the wash the brushes and lip brush and stuff like that. And we have our cute sponges. And I know one is gonna be for me, but yeah, so I got all of that. I'm super excited. Let me put this all back and let's see what's inside the eyelash extension kit box. Okay guys, now I'm back to the good things. It shows you on this side right from wrong. So it looks like what all comes in this box. We got a card, eyelash extension kit for false eyelash extension. So they gave me a card. They gave me one of these, whatever this is. They gave me these kind. This is like 3 feather, and then this is like just single, and then this is like the 3 feather together. This is to get off your eyes, or for you to put on a bond glue first or after. You can use it in between. So yeah, I'm learning tips to clean around the eyes and stuff like that to make sure everything is properly done. Spoolies. See that? They gave me spoolies. Rings to put on my finger for the glue. Let me show you guys. They're so cute. They're heart-shaped. And then you just put it like this. And you just put your glue and then you'll work like that. So, hey. Eyelash extension tool. Tweezers, I would want to say something like that. Still learning, guys. Okay, let's see. Eyelash glue. Stitches. So I'll just put under your eyes. But to hold it. They gave me another tweezer, guys. More tape. A fan. It's with a portable charger. It also comes with a holder. This how big it is. So, oh my God, it's working. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So that's that. Last, our mannequin head, same size as my head. So we got a mannequin head with some lashes. I believe this is the bond glue. I don't know what this is. If you know what this is, comment below. Don't know what that is. Smell it. I don't know. I think this is if you know what these are, comment below, let me know. But don't know what them are. I believe these are like the lens that you can, so like when you just put this on top, and that's a good, I don't know, I'm still learning, guys, still learning. Okay. And this just goes on there, on the mannequin. So I'll just put the mannequin like that, and then I'll go. Probably going to do another video on tempting myself to do that. If you guys want to see that, let me know. Yes, this is what I meant earlier, the bonder glue. Let's put all this back, and then we'll come back with another video on how to do trying out lash extensions with me. In another video, putting my makeup in its case, my makeup box. I mean, my makeup brushes into his box. Okay, I guess I can show you guys what I got on my knees. So cute. She's gonna be so happy. Okay, this is my first official video, like I was saying, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you suggest any more like beauty tips or any more videos that you would like to see, comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and share, and also subscribe. And I'll see you next time, ladies. Bye.